everyone, welcome back to Pathshala. Welcome back to second part of biotechnology. I know the first video you remember guys how we talked about this miraculous and unimaginable concept, how a bacteria actually happens to protect animals, how a toxin is replicated in a plant. Oh my god, it was so amazing. So, the chapter actually I was founding so scary has so much interesting things to offer. And those of you who are coming to this video for the very first time, I know you must be having this FOMO when I'm having conversations with my older students. So, what I would recommend you is going back to the part 1, quickly watch it, and come back here so that you can also understand what all we are talking about, right? And yeah, now let's start with the part 2. But before I start talking about more interesting things, I would like to talk about myself as well. So, my name is Aditi Goyal. I am a final year MBBS student at RUHS College of Medical Sciences, Jaipur. I have been teaching biology to students from past 5 years and I have also been a NEET mentor. Alright, so yes, now I'll start with the story, extended story of this botulinum toxin. Do you think it ends there? No. So, what is the precision of this Bt toxin? Basically, when you take it from your bacteria, it's an inactive protoxin. As we have also read in previous units, what a protoxin is, we also discussed about a proenzyme, the one that is not activated, the one that has not come into its powers. So, it is in the form of crystals. Now, when an insect digests it, the one that come to eat our crops, their gut has an alkaline pH, the basic pH. So there, these crystals solubilize, and now they become active, powerful, and they lead to cell lysis in these organisms and death. So the insects who eat them eat their death, right? Until then, they are not dreadful, they are not toxic. But as soon as they enter their gut, they become toxic. All right, now let's talk about another wonderful tool of nature, the nematode. So, nematodes are also major risk of infestations for our crops, right? The villain here we have to fight is Melodogine incognita. It remains incognito as well. So basically, what it does, this villain does is it infects our tobacco roots, causing the root knots, and it reads it reduces the massive yield. We don't get the yields we desire, right? The strategy to fight this villain here is RNA interference. What is RNA interference? We'll be talking in detail in further slides. So basically, it's a cellular defense mechanism. Let's talk about it. What happens? So basically, RNA interference. I'm interfering with the RNA. When I interfere with the RNA, I won't let it speak, right? If you interfere, if I'm interfering you here, you won't be able to speak, correct? So basically, when I interfere the RNA of this organism, the RNA gets silenced, right? You are becoming silent, correct? So RNA will not be able to express itself and cause those harms like formation of nodules. So nematode specific genes are introduced via an organism called agrobacterium into the plant roots. Now our host, the plant, produces two kinds of RNA. One is sense, one are antisense RNA. We have learnt about these RNA structures, what they mean in the DNA chapters as well. So there are two strands of RNA and DNA. One is sense strand, one is antisense. Now there is formation of double strand RNA because these two strands will form it, and RNA interference initiates which silence the nematode RNA. Since this RNA formation happened in our host, it silenced the nematode's mRNA. mRNA is the messenger RNA. So the harmful message now cannot be carried. And the parasite, as a result, cannot survive in this transgenic host. Wow, I mean, this amazes me, and I know this amazes all of you. So, guys, if you are looking for such interesting concepts which not just make you read it like a task but actually make you read it for fun, you are on the right place. And let me tell you more interesting information. If you are looking for a complete study solution like this, you need to check out Pathshala. They offer one on one live classes, instant doubt solving, premium study materials that cover all grades and all boards. It's basically like having a personal tutor in your pocket. To get started, just download the app using the link in the description box. Search for the subject you want to learn, and they will connect you with the best teachers in the country. Seriously, go check it out. The link is right down below. And yes, guys, for this video, please like, please comment down all your queries and any doubts you face. I am here happy to help. Also, share this video with your friends, those who might be finding this chapter a task and keep complaining to you. Tell them biology is all about fun and learning what all is possible, right? And also, please subscribe to this channel so that you keep get updates about such interesting chapters and how easy and phenomenal explanations. So yes, today I shall take your leave. Take care. All the best, guys. Keep studying.